How to post text on Instagram. Follow these steps. First, open the Instagram app on your device. Tap the plus button at the bottom center of the screen. Choose a story from the available option. Once inside the story editor, click on the text icon. A blank screen will appear where you can type your message. To change the background color, select the circle icon at the bottom right. Now type in your message. After typing in the message, choose a font style by tapping the font icon at the top center. Then tap the three dot at the top right and select Save. Moreover, exit from the story section. Again on your home screen, tap the plus button again. Inside the post section, choose the save image from your gallery. Tap next to proceed. Furthermore, apply filter to match your aesthetics. Tap on the next button to proceed to the next step. In the caption box, write something that complements your text image. Lastly, hit share and a text is posted and is now live on Instagram. Done. This is how to post text on Instagram.